I made a song called Send Me Your Daughter, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Hey guys, these next 4 episodes will each be about the 4 songs from my EP, Send Me Your Daughter, from last year. I wrote, produced, performed, and released the EP myself under the moniker Galleriet, and it was the follow-up to my debut album from the year before called Romantic Gestures. All the songs were made with a bare-bones setup here in my house using my MacBook Pro, a MIDI keyboard, Logic, a good mic, and a good audio interface. And if you have any specific questions about the equipment I used, I'm happy to answer those. Just pop them in the comments below. The song I'd like to talk about today is the song that gave the EP its name, Send Me Your Daughter, and it's the 3rd track on the EP. While I was writing the EP, someone dear to me suddenly passed away. She was a vocal coach, a teacher, and a mentor who had touched so many lives. She was such a bright, amazing, larger-than-life, generous, life-affirming person. And she came into my life and gave me so much encouragement during a time that I really needed it. It was a difficult time for me, and her presence changed everything. And she was the kind of person, you know, someone that just can't die. It's not possible. She is life, and her passing was so shocking. It left me with such a flux of emotions. When she passed away, I had already began work on the song that was to be Send Me Your Daughter, but I hadn't written any of the lyrics yet. The spirit of the song was already grappling with meditations on the passing of time and life and death, but now I knew I had this new layer of experience that would inevitably have to make its way into the lyrics. My teacher had a daughter who's just a few years younger than me, and in the days after her passing, I thought a lot about her daughter. I know that they were really close, and that's how the lyric Send Me Your Daughter was born. The song has some specific sounds that stick out to me, so I thought I'd highlight them. One is the intro, those descending notes that sound almost like something grinding to a halt or melting even. And I liked the idea of having the intro sound divert the ears before the song started in a slightly different direction. The other part I wanted to mention is this grinding or pushing, growing sound that comes in toward the later half of the song, and it's juxtaposed with these very breathy, light vocals, and I feel like there's something about that particular part of the song that really summarizes the feeling that I was trying to encapsulate. I feel like the song as a whole has a bittersweet quality to it. It's melancholy and a little jagged, but it's also warm and rhythmic and pretty at the same time. The song isn't directed at any one person. It's an attempt at putting words on my own feelings and fears about running out of time with the people that I love. And the song grew to mean a lot to me, so it felt natural to let the EP take its name. To hear Send Me Your Daughter in its entirety and to read the lyrics, check out the description below. And that's something I made. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And why not hit subscribe? I'll see you next week. Bye.